welcome back to our next video. We're gonna review this cash register and play with it. Yeah, let's get started. So we have to clean it up. But it's really tricky. So we have a bar. This is very like okay. The food. Don't mind it. She been there's so many vegetables. Yep. Like corn, cucumber, this, that. Yes. Okay, let's get started. Put the new oil over. Okay, this is pressure. This is the back. Not like the back there, like that back there. I just do something, right? I'll be the cash register. You know who cashing. Like, okay, what do you want? The broccoli, do you want this? Like if you want this. 2 carrots. Corn, need more corn. There's so many vegetables. So many veggies. Ew, and there's 2. Yeah, I think it's bad that I feel so sick. Honestly. Can I talk? Drop below in the comments what you want. First, you could put in the comments where you could buy. Wait. Put down below in the comments what you could buy in a supermarket or grocery. Okay, we're gonna finish. Orange. Don't mind this one mashed. Wash this stuff off. Next. Last. Okay, I'm gonna buy this, put it in my bag. Good. Can I just move this? Okay, this is just a stand so you can see. Put my combine. Okay. This. I don't know why. Should I shop green? Yeah. Okay. Shop all green. Seeds. Oh, next bag. Oh, here is green. Here's the green. Next one. Hey, I can't see this. Oh. Okay, more. I know you'll be good. I like French fries. French fries. Like if you like French fries, I love that. There's a thing in Trinidad called pepper fries. I'd eat that. I ate it today actually because it tastes so good. Bread. Can't put it because it's not green. If all your favorite color is green. I'm really sorry about the green. I don't know how to pick green because if I really don't know it, I'll pick yellow or French fries. I guess this, no orange. The bread falls on the ground. I can't eat it. I can't eat it anyway because it's green. It's not green. And not really bread, guys. Don't eat this. This is just for a play. I have a kitchen. The back, you can see it. In the next video, we might play with it. If you subscribe, I might play with it. I don't know. This is all about watch. Spin. I have a spoon here so that way all you could see it. Really short. Oh, and I have milk, but it's not green. Wait, some parts is green. This alone. Not really real, so I'm not really care. Kind of green, but no, all is not. So all of these are green. Like every single part is green. So this is only part, so no. Okay, that's pink. Nothing has green. Okay, nothing has green, but outside, I guess when I cook, wait. In this video, but this video might be too long. If you reach 7 minutes, comment below. Should we? Could be very long. Probably have to go. Okay, right here, so you see. Oh yeah, guys, I don't have. Yeah, you never see my mom or dad. Okay, you did in a TikTok video, in a short video, you see my mom. I have a dad. I have a mom, don't worry, but they're just shy to be in videos. Yeah, and I don't have a sister, so yeah, if I record a video with like somebody in it, like a little girl, big boy, but I just my cousin with me. I don't have no sister, promise, or brother. I don't have any, only me. I'm the only child in this family. If you didn't know that. My friend had a brother, a small brother. Yeah, you're fucking like 2 minutes. Now let's bring with this. The guys now destroy the bag. Okay, let's start. Okay, you can barely see it. Wait, let me just see if the stand will work. I hope it don't fall. Oh my gosh. Hope this don't fall. Will be the end. Yeah, I don't mind that the Santa thing. I put it on small. I can see. If you hear that noise, I'm just stomping. see that? Okay, do I see that? Yeah. That's what I do. Okay, put it on. How much is that? Don't mind expensive. $10 for this. I don't know how to call it. Like 5 and 5, 10. If you don't know how to check the word, I could do it. This is 10, 10, 20. Okay. Put these in the bag. I want obviously every little bit. So put it in the bag, easy, so I probably don't know how to see it. I'll still show you guys. If you're boring, you can just watch our next video. I have more videos you can watch if you want to. You don't have to watch it, but if you want to watch it, no problem. Okay, 2 broccoli, 2 pears. No, okay, I just do these. Should I be more cheap? Yeah, $6. So one of these at church. 6. 26. That was so far. I feel like a credit card. Not a real credit card to buy, don't worry. If you make, I will mine. Yeah, but I will be really sorry if you steal this. Or take it and steal. Because this is for this. It didn't come with it. I just find it and I take it when I was small and nobody knows that. Yeah, my mom knew that. Yeah. Okay, this $3. If I don't know if it's a cash register. Yeah, we're not scanning it. Oh gosh. Okay, $6. And just scan the rest of my bag. It's not supposed to do it, but okay. It's my business. Put it right there. Okay. Now I want all you see. Okay, I'll buy it. What all you see? This is the area. Scan the card. I want all you see it. I need some tries. Yes, I did it. Yeah, see, it's paid. When you hear that beep, there's a little red button there. When I think you're not supposed to slide it because it don't work. You have to like press it. Yeah. And I just like sliding it more realistic. Yeah. Okay, should we make it only 30-minute session? Yeah, because other YouTubers make it 30 minutes. Okay, we're gonna quit it like this. Be more fun. Put this away. I have a stand here. Just like this. Guys, there's no water. I need a water bottle. I don't know. Okay. making a mess in the couch. I find a bowl. Yes. Okay. I'll have a triple stand. Don't mind these inside. Yay. Okay. Let me just get the eyes. Oh gosh. Not too high, but I want you to see it. Okay. We're gonna make a green soup. Okay. This salad will be so big. Okay. I'm not gonna get the I don't have. Okay, can we just use one, right? Okay, this is not. Okay. Pepper. Show me this. I don't know how to call it. Put in the comments what this called if you know. Let me show you again just in case you didn't see. What is that called? I think so much. Yeah. Oh yeah, this is cucumber. One of that. Oh my gosh. Yeah, no more. Yes. 5 things. Take off asparagus. If I'm correct, put in a comment below. Okay. Let me take a spoon. Yeah. It's more fun. But these are video that I don't use. So all of these I have there, but I bought 2 of each just in case. I wanted a big bowl, but I don't have a big bowl. Okay, I'm gonna get a spoon. A big spoon or a small spoon? I know you don't have big spoons in real life, but in my guys, you know what? I get in these things from my kitchen, but I want to show you the kitchen. Now we're in our next video. If you like, and subscribe. If you do one thing, I will do it. We have to. The end of the video have to be 100 subscribers? No. I'm still thinking. Should get 50 subscribers on this video right now, and then if we get 50 subscribers, not subscribers, likes. Oh, you could do them both too if you want. Do the kitchen. Sorry if I accent too much, but watch a small spoon and a big spoon. And watch. Let me just move them. Watch, there's a big spoon. I know in real life they don't have like a big spoon like this. This is from my kitchen. And a small spoon. Right. Yeah, they do have big spoons. They don't have a small spoon. Sorry. Okay, should I do big one? Small one. Drop below. What should I do? How to do fast? I don't know. If you picked small spoon, I might do. Yeah, big spoon. Big. Oh yeah, put some pretend seasoning. No, this is a clip. What I'm doing? Are you going? Okay. Okay, let's eat. No, you can't eat like that. Don't eat like that. Just eat like that. It's so good. Okay. Bye. Remember to like and subscribe. And if we get to 50 likes or 50 subscribers, we will do a kitchen. I keep looking back to remember what it is. Okay, bye.